morning, students of class first year. In this topic, I will be discuss about the five kingdom system of the kingdom first, that is the Monera. This Monera, that the Monera kingdom means mono means single. As you very well know that mono means single. मोनेरन के जो मेंबर्स थे दे ऑल आर प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल स्ट्रक्चर. इनके पास सेल स्ट्रक्चर क्या था? प्रोकैरियोट्स था. You are very well known that what is the prokaryotes. Prokaryotes are those cells which have not true nucleus and other cell organelles are lacking. Some are filamentous and some are from the multicellular aggregations like the actinomycetes. वो filament like होती है. The cell wall प्रेजेंट होता है किंगडम मोनेरा में, बट प्लांट के जैसे सेलुलोजिक नहीं होता है, यानी सेलुलोज का नहीं बना होता. इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ अ पेप्टाइडोग्लाइकेन. द पेप्टाइडोग्लाइकेन इज व्हाट? पेप्टाइडोग्लाइकेन इज अ टाइप ऑफ केमिकल इन विच द एन-एसिटाइल ग्लूकासामीन एंड एन-एसिटाइल मुरामिक एसिड इज प्रेजेंट. Cell wall is not found in the member of Monera, that one member, that's the mycoplasma. In the mycoplasma, it is the most smallest cell, or it is common name is a PPLO. That PPLO is means pleuropneumonia like organism. नया नाम फाइटोप्लाज्मा. इसमें सेल वॉल नहीं होती है, इसीलिए इसको जोकर ऑफ प्लांट किंगडम कहा जाता है. या इसकी इसीलिए अपना जो ये पॉलीमॉर्फिक बॉडी होता है. पॉलीमॉर्फिक मीन्स कि अपनी बॉडी को हमेशा ये चेंज करते रहता है. अब क्या है कि द मेंबर्स ऑफ मोनेरन्स आर cosmopolitan distributions, means they are found in the everywhere. It is found in hot condition, cold condition, even in our body also. But the member Archaebacteria is found in the very adverse condition, that is the hot, spring, acid and acidic conditions, and pits of volcano also. In the Monera, the DNA is naked. That form, they are free floating in the cytoplasm of cell and form the nucleoid. They are not histone protein. You see the here nucleoid. So nucleoid is what? There is a naked DNA. Because their DNA is free floating in cytoplasm due to lacking of the histone protein. So flagella is present for the locomotion. That is made up of a protein that known as flagellin. Flagella is made up of flagella is meant for locomotion, or you can say the movement. Different type of flagella is present. One or two, many more flagellums are present, but they are made up of the special type of protein that known as flagellin. In the Monera, members are mostly reproduced by the asexual reproduction. True sexual reproduction absent, but there is a special type of genetic recombination are found, that is known as conjugation, transformation and transduction are found in the kingdom Monera, and especially in the case of bacteria. No sex gametes are formed. No sex gametes are formed. So if no sex gametes are formed, it means no reproduce by the sexual mode. For example, इसमें क्या होते हैं? आर्कीबैक्टीरिया, यू बैक्टीरिया, ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी, जिसको साइनोबैक्टीरिया भी कहा जाता है. ठीक है. माइकोप्लाज्मा अभी बताया आपको, पीपीएलओ, एक्टिनोमाइसीट्स जिसको रे फंजाई भी कहा जाता है, और स्पाइरोकीट्स होते हैं, इसके मेंबर्स होते हैं. थैंक यू.